Starting around 19 July 2023, Cardano, in every way that really matters, is exchanging at 32 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.33%. In genuinely most recent 1 hour in a by and large significant manner. ADA really has a fundamentally complete market cap of $11,063,514,774, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $343,222,186, which essentially is very huge. This really makes Cardano, ADA, fundamentally positioning at 7 in the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive way. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023, what will Cardano in a real sense be worth in 2023? Which truly is genuinely huge. Is Cardano a wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will ADA cost for the most part outperform its unsurpassed especially high in an unpretentious manner? These truly are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future in an in every practical sense enormous way. Cardano ADA value expectation 2023. As per the Cardano conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ADA cost basically is supposed to for the most part cross a by and large normal value level of 40 cents, the normal really least value worth of Cardano, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to generally be 39 cents, which for the most part is very critical. Besides, ADA can in a real sense arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of 42 cents, which generally is very huge. Cardano value figure July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Cardano certainly is supposed to essentially be at around an extremely least of 30 cents, or so they in every practical sense thought. Cardano cost can explicitly arrive at a for the most part limit of 34 cents, with the by and large normal cost of 33 cents in United States dollars, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Cardano ADA value conjecture August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Cardano fundamentally is in a real sense anticipated to generally arrive at an extremely normal cost of 35 cents, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of 36 cents and a truly least of 33 cents in an unpretentious manner. ADA value estimate September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Cardano generally is supposed to arrive at a truly least value worth of 35 cents in an especially significant manner. The ADA cost could by and large arrive at an especially most extreme cost of 38 cents, with the very normal cost around 36 cents, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. ADA value conjecture October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Cardano explicitly is supposed to especially arrive at a by and large least value worth of 36 cents, so besides ADA can generally arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of 42 cents, which is genuinely huge. The ADA cost could sort of arrive at a kind of greatest cost of 39 cents, with the especially normal cost around 37 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. Cardano value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the most extreme cost for Cardano could in a real sense stretch around 41 cents, which by and large is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in November 2023 basically is 37 cents, with a for the most part normal cost of 39 cents, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Cardano ADA value figure December 2023. The Cardano ADA cost for December 2023 may arrive at a for the most part least worth of 39 cents, while the kind of greatest determined cost explicitly is around 42 cents. The by and large normal cost for ADA for the most part is somewhat anticipated to basically reach 40 cents in December 2023, which by and large is genuinely critical. Cardano certainly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Cardano's cost for the most part has shown a great increment of 4.06%. As of now in every way that really matters, significant way. From very most recent 7 days, the ADA certainly was in fundamentally great vertical pattern and expanded by 7.87% in a very significant manner. Cardano has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of potential of late, and this could be very great chance to dive right in and contribute, which especially is genuinely huge. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA fundamentally diminished by 29.431%. wiping out an astounding normal amount of 13 cents from its truly current worth, showing how Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023. As per the Cardano gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ADA cost for the most part is supposed to generally cross a kind of normal value level of 40 cents. The normal by and large least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to basically be 39 cents, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down really implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a genuinely decent truly purchase and open door for kind of speedy speculation, which generally shows that from in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, the ADA essentially was in every practical sense great vertical pattern and expanded by 7.87% in a by and large enormous manner. The 90 days cost change especially is near 16.74%, and the value sort of flowed from a kind of least genuinely normal cost of 37 cents to exceptionally most extreme normal cost of 39 cents. In the genuinely beyond 90 days, in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. In most recent 4 months, Cardano truly has shown a developing pattern in a very huge manner. Hence, we truly believe that comparable pieces of the market basically were very famous at that period, showing that starting around 19 July 2023, Cardano basically is exchanging at 32 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.33%. In sort of most recent 60 minutes. Truly in opposition to prevalent thinking, as per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Cardano explicitly is expanded from 4 months, which generally is genuinely critical. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost, exhibiting that Cardano, ADA, value gauge December 2023, the Cardano, ADA, cost for December 2023, may especially arrive at an especially least worth of 39 cents. While the really greatest gauge cost for the most part is around 42 cents, which in every practical sense is very critical, the coin in every practical sense is up by 14.87%, with the especially greatest by and large normal cost of the coin for the most part was around 27 cents, and the especially least typical cost of truly was around 26 cents in every way that really matters, recent months. Which fundamentally shows that the coin explicitly is up by 14.87%, with the most extreme in every practical sense. Normal cost of the coin basically was around 27 cents, and the essentially least truly normal cost of essentially was around 26 cents in lovely beyond 4 months, which truly is very critical. Cardano value estimate 2023 facts. What will truly be Cardano truly worth in 2023 in a huge manner? The ADA cost fundamentally is gauged to basically arrive at a most extreme degree.